Hello, Topcoder Open 2020 starts very soon, and this is a video where I will try to install on my computer, this is Linux, Ubuntu, everything needed to participate in Topcoder. You can either participate in Arena online, but I'm used to Java Applet, so let me download it. The address is topcoder.co/Java Arena. It's visible in bottom left, but you also can Google that. Okay, it's downloaded. Now in downloads, if I type java ws space this is not found. It tells me to install something particular. 180 megabytes. After it's installed, I will also add plugins. There is a very good blog by Swistakk explaining what to do in order to make using this Arena doable for a human. Otherwise, it's very painful. Done. I have two monitors. This is why you so far moment only half of a screen, like half of a window. Opening. Always trust, run, remember, yes, it's here. I'm Errichto and I already have an account. In active contest there is round 1A. I need to register for parallel because I think I already advanced to round 2. Doesn't matter much, but I need plugins. This is information what they do. Go to this page, download and extract in your fab folder any directory. Where do I want that? I guess, let's say Topcoder. Move from downloads. If you're asking how to do it on Windows, I don't know if it's possible. Unzip. It's here. I can remove the zip. Why not? Next. Go to Arena, login, Options Editor, add. Options Editor, add. And what do I add? Name code processor. Entry point this. Class path. Add 4 paths here. Browse. It was in Topcoder. This. All .jar files, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I see 5. File edit, code processor, my PQ without contest applet. Open. Save this and tick boxes next to newly added line. Click on this newly added line and click configure. Next to edit and editor entry point, specify path where your codes will be appearing. Do not use this in your path, it doesn't work. Where do I want this? Let's say I will make a directory con, like contest. Print working directory pwd gives you this. And check this very stupid option, backup existing file. Where is it? Oh, maybe I'm not. Cannot instantiate. What? I'm doing something wrong. Maybe close. No. Once again, hit configure. Configure. New big window will pop up. Fill editor. Okay, I missed this. Fill editor entry point as this. Next to code processor scripts, hit add. And what happens? And add two entries, this and that. Hit configure. And now I'm taking this. Uncheck. Go to code template if you use C++, then modify that. In C++. I don't need that. Your templates. In code forces, if I go to my submissions, they should be there. Save. Preferences were saved successfully. Close. Restart your arena and you're ready to go. Save. Save. Close. I need to restart, I guess. I think I have enough time to participate in the round. It's in 8 minutes. Register. Yeah, I guess I agree to the rules. Registrants. There are quite few people who participate, but first, practice round. Oh, it's only this. Normally in practice rooms there are a lot of contests, but apparently they turn them off for the contest. I'm not able to see if anything works. That's bad. Well, a moment before the contest, I have timer here. A moment before the contest, there will be enter here. I can hit that. And then if I'm here, the moment when I open a problem, a new file, something.cpp, will be visible here, I hope. Practice rooms. Any problems here? Oh yeah, TCO 2018, cool. Then if I open this problem, that's strange. Let's say that it's maybe not full screen. I think I prefer it like that. Or maybe not. I'm not sure. We'll figure this out later. There's some statement. And there is now line off. This appeared. I don't think that's good. Or is it? No return statement. Oh, it is cool. Return -1. Compile, run. Example 0 failed. 1 failed, and so on. What about return 2? Yeah, return 2. 2 examples passed. Now over here, Alt B. No, first Alt C. Alt C compiles. Your code compiles successfully but generated warnings. Unused parameters points. That's fine. Alt B. Batch testing. Correct example true, correct example false. Cool. And let's say submit. Alt U. Successful. Close this. There is also practice. How to judge that? There should be something like options, practice options. Yep, practice options, run system test. And I failed on test 2. You need to click that in practice. Okay, I think everything is tested. Registrants here. In a moment, I will see enter. Not this. This is normal chat room. I can spam here, spam. And the contest starts in 4 minutes. I need to get some paper. Close everything, I guess. Actually, remove that as well. And I'm ready. Close. Four minutes left. Oh, I can enter. I see my room members. Radeusz is in my room. It's his other nickname. And some other reasonable people. Okay, be right back.